Now I'm going to put the glaze on some of the donuts. First I take the chocolate glaze, and I'm going to spread it all around. Yes. Now I'm going to take the white candies, sprinkles, just sprinkle a little bit. That's one donut. And we'll take another donut, and I'm going to put the white glaze on it. And on top, I'll take the black sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, and sprinkle it. You can sprinkle on top nuts, almonds, a different color of sprinkles. Makes it very beautiful, colorful, and invite your friends and guests, and yourself, of course, to have a bite.